Bringing your car to a local shop for service is not always cheaper or convenient. Whether you need windshield repair, a new suspension, brake repair. When you bring your vehicle to Levittown Ford for maintenance or repairs, you'll receive prompt, courteous service from a staff dedicated to quality for our customers. Visit us at www.levittownford.com. While you're there, take advantage of our internet specials and start saving. Speak to a technician. Check out our service center for information or to set an appointment. And when you go to a certified dealer for service, your vehicle's warranty stays intact. Call, click, or come in for more information. Levittown Ford is located at 3195 Hempstead Turnpike in Levittown, New York.